Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video with me Tanmay Mehta, your home technology consultant or home theater wale bhaiya. And with me today I've got two very special guests. One is Denon X2700H and the second guest is Denon S-960H. Now I know for a fact that a lot of you have been struggling since last so many months for stocks of your favorite AV receivers, and we have been selling in the same boat too. But as of now the things have been improving slowly, and we would yet take 2 months to streamline on most of the models stocks to be available in India. But as of now, this X2700H and S960H are very much available in Indian markets, and that is the reason why I'm doing this particular video, to help you all understand the difference between these models which belong to the same company and yet are going to compete against each other in this particular year. So what we are going to see is what actually makes X series and S series separate, and what makes this X series extra special, so that you pay more for this and pay less for S960H. So that is what we are going to talk about in this particular video. For those of you who do not know me, let me just introduce myself. I am Tanmay Mehta, a home technology consultant or an audiovisual consultant since last 8 years. Been designing thousands of home cinema experiences in this last 8 years with my team here in Pune at Touchwood Automations. And one of the things that I noticed in this 8-year journey was people in India are very much excited for this home cinema concept, but are really not aware as to what is the right product, how should they go about making a home cinema room, what are the right tools, what are the right steps, what are the right products that they need to buy while completing their desired home cinema experience. Because I know for a fact that home cinema truly is one thing in your home that is going to add glamour not just to your home but to your personal life. Because watching something on a TV and watching it on a great home cinema experience or a great home cinema system is totally different. And due to that, we realize that what people need to know is what are the things that they need to buy. Because when you go out there to shop, people are going to sell you what they have and not necessarily what you need to buy. So this particular channel is just an effort to ensure that you get the right information about all those products. So let's begin with X2700H and S960H in the unboxing as well as comparison. So here we are with the two boxes, opened X2700H and Denon S960H, and as you can see, both the AV receivers are almost the same in terms of size. All the dimensions like depth, width, height, everything is same. Even the weight is same actually for both the models. Only difference is that on the S960H you will see some extra buttons which are not there in this particular model. Surprisingly, both the receivers do not have any front HDMI ports, which actually used to be very handy. Because let's say if you want to connect your laptop and throw an image onto the projector or your TV, this aux input was actually very handy. And that's why I think that with these new models they have actually removed this, which may not be a great decision, because eventually you would need an HDMI cable. But yes, on the rear part you have got 6 HDMI ports, 2 HDMI outputs, so one for monitor, one for projector, and obviously the monitor output is eARC enabled, so you can buy either of these models and yet get Dolby Atmos using HDMI eARC when connected to your TV. Both these models are again 8K as well. So 8K Ultra HD support is there at 60 Hz. It has got 7-channel amplification, 90 watts and 95 watts for 2-channel driven. So that is one small difference of 5 watts between both these amplifiers. Rest of the other configuration are almost the same. 7-channel, when I say it has 5-channel plus zone 2 support. The other thing which this has is that it has got 2 zone pre-outs as well, which S960H does not have. So you can drive 7-channel and get 2-channel pre-outs from this amp, but with this you have to stick to 7 and you can't add 2 more channels using a separate amplifier. So that is one of the biggest drawback of S960H. As mentioned by the brand themselves, that S series is more budget friendly, X series is more towards a premium side. The second differentiation that both these models have is that X2700H has got a capability of doing a bi-am connection, which is not available in the S series. So that's again the second difference between both these models. With regards to the back panel, let me just show you both the back panels, because like me you will also be surprised to see that they both look identical. So as you can see, both have got the same HDMI inputs, same style, locations are also same. Both the receivers are made in Vietnam. So there's no problem in terms of, one being in another country and one being manufactured in another country. That's not even the case. One of the other differentiation factor between the S960H and the X series is that X series has got analog to HDMI up conversion, which is not available in this particular model. Now what do we mean by that? Let's say you've got an old karaoke system which has got that yellow port to connect for video, and you run that cable and then you've got an HDMI out connecting it to the projector. Now you can't get the video signal through this AV receiver, but you can get that video signal from this particular AV receiver, that is X2700H. So this is again the additional feature which has been given in the X series and not there in the S series. So with that, I think these are the only differentiation. And with regards to the pricing, Denon X2700H is priced at 97,900 in Indian markets, and the S series is yet to be priced officially, but I am guessing it to be around 85,000. So 12,000 to 13,000 rupees is the difference between the S series and the X series. So honestly, if these features like bi-am or your video up conversion analog to HDMI, or let's say the bi-am capabilities are not something that you really look forward to, you can settle down for S960H and can still enjoy a decent or a good audio experience, and the X series can be compromised for that. But for those of you who would require that extra power, 12,000-13,000 is not going to be a small amount. You can still pay more for this particular amplifier to enjoy that power. So that's the only difference, guys. As I said, weight, specifications, everything else is very much same. And with that, I, Tanmay Mehta, your home technology consultant, is going to see you all in my next video.